How to say thank you in Greek. Thank you. Ef-xa-ree-sto. Thank you. Ef-xa-ree-sto. Now you try. The direct translation is I thank you, which is the informal, and this is the formal version. Thank you. Σας ευχαριστώ. Thank you. Σας ευχαριστώ. Now you try. You can also say, thank you very much. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Thank you very much. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Now you try. You can also say, I thank you very much. Σας ευχαριστώ πολύ. I thank you very much. Σας ευχαριστώ πολύ. Now you try. If you wanted to say thanks, ευχαριστώ. Thanks. Ευχαριστώ. Now you try. You can also say much appreciated. Το εκτιμώ πολύ. Much appreciated. Το εκτιμώ πολύ. Now you try. And that's how to say thank you in Greek.